Hi, Assalamu alaikum. Here I am your English calligraphy teacher. In this video, I will write uppercase character E. It is very simple, very easy. Okay, here we go. Okay, between first two lines, I am putting my marker and going to start. Okay, come to the first line like this, make curve like this, touch the second line, come forward, then come back, then come to the third line like this, then lift up your marker like this and draw the small line at the starting point of letter E like this. This is your uppercase character E. Once again I am telling you, put your marker between first two lines like this, come to the first line like this, then touch the second line like this, then come back, come to the third line, make a curve like this and lift up your marker and then draw a small line at the starting point of this letter E. Here is your uppercase character E. In next video, I will teach you how to write uppercase character F. Keep watching and thanks for watching. Tata.